Case study, streamlining prototyping with Axure. A design agency was tasked with creating a prototype for a new mobile application for a fitness startup. The project required showcasing the app's functionality and user flow to stakeholders and potential investors. To streamline their prototyping process and create interactive and realistic prototypes, the agency decided to leverage Axure, a powerful prototyping tool. The fitness startup had a unique concept for their app, and it was crucial to accurately convey the user experience and value proposition through the prototype. The design agency aimed to create a visually appealing and interactive prototype that would effectively communicate the app's features and engage stakeholders. The design team began by gathering requirements and conducting user research to understand the target audience and their needs. They used Axure to create wireframes and interactive prototypes that showcased the app's key features and user flow. Axure's extensive widget library and drag-and-drop interface allowed the team to quickly build and iterate on their designs. Realistic interactions. Axure's interactive features played a crucial role in creating a realistic prototype. The design team utilized Axure's dynamic panels, adaptive views, and conditional logic to simulate various app interactions, such as swiping, tapping, and scrolling. This allowed stakeholders to experience the app's functionality firsthand and provide valuable feedback. Efficient collaboration. Axure's collaboration features facilitated effective communication and collaboration among the design team, stakeholders, and developers. The team shared the Axure prototype with stakeholders, allowing them to provide feedback and make informed design decisions. Axure's annotation and commenting features enabled stakeholders to leave comments directly on the prototype, streamlining the feedback process. Iterative design. The design team conducted usability testing sessions using the Axure prototype to gather feedback and validate design decisions. They observed how users interacted with the prototype, identified pain points, and iterated on the design based on user insights. Axure's ability to quickly make changes and update the prototype allowed for an iterative design process. Presentation and pitch. The final Axure prototype served as a powerful tool for the design agency during presentations and pitches to stakeholders and potential investors. The interactive and realistic prototype effectively conveyed the app's value proposition, user experience, and functionality, helping the agency secure buy-in and support for the project. Outcome. The design agency successfully delivered a visually appealing and interactive prototype for the fitness startup's mobile application. The streamlined prototyping process facilitated by Axure allowed the team to meet project deadlines and effectively communicate the app's features and user experience to stakeholders. The prototype received positive feedback, leading to further development and investment in the app. Key takeaways. Axure is a powerful prototyping tool that enables the creation of interactive and realistic prototypes. Axure's extensive widget library and drag-and-drop interface allow for quick prototyping and iteration. Interactive features in Axure, such as dynamic panels and conditional logic, help simulate realistic app interactions. Axure's collaboration features streamline communication and feedback among team members and stakeholders. Usability testing with the Axure prototype allows for gathering user feedback and iterating on the design. Please note that this case study is hypothetical, created to demonstrate the potential benefits of using Axure in a prototyping project.